everyone, it is Knottie Spider with another episode. Hold up, because what the hell is going on here, guys? What is poppin', everyone? If you're new here, welcome to the Knottie Spider gang, and if you're old here, welcome back, Spider gang. You already know. In today's episode, guys, it's gonna be an interesting outdoor episode. I'm going to the river to kick it, honestly, relax, meditate, and mostly just work on orders and crochet projects. So come with me to the river with my brother. I thought I was gonna go with my entire family, but it ended up only being me and my brother. And I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of behind the scenes while I'm working on my projects, my orders. But yeah, guys, come with me. It's gonna be so much fun, and thank you so much. If you want to see me crochet some orders and work on projects at the river, go ahead and keep on watching. Bye.
Woo! River Day! 2025! Let's get it! She's got her crew neck on.
I was tired, man. Man, oh man.
Here we go. Got the bad boy here. It's called a Waggo. Where I go, Waggo. Yep. Where we fit all of our things, so we don't have to carry. We got 20-inch rims.
Bringing my bag, guys. Got my crochet stuff. Not in here, actually. In my other box. Oh. Here she is, guys. Okay, I got my blanket. My lotion, guys. And the prettiest of them all. Oh, I need to close her. There, guys. Let me put this in my bag.
I forgot I had tangerine.
Hey, nice.
I gotta tell you.
Got my good shoes because, girl. Got the asadora. Oh, my water bottle right there too. My wannabe Stanley. Hey. We're out here, y'all. Hey. Hey.
Are you a tripod?
We all have matching chairs, guys. Yeah? Where at?
Yeah, 'cause there's no one here.
Where at?
Let's see if we can get there.
Oh, okay.
Let's explore.
Let's go. No. Ooh.
Brother!
Brother.
We reached Gloria. And alone.
Woo.
Away from it all.
Away. I don't want to be away from it all. I want it all. Beautiful, guys. Now we gotta set this up, basically. Oh shoot, a lizard. It better not get next to my camera or we're gonna have problems. Yeah, huh? It's a good spot here though. Just for right now. But it could fall, huh? I think we should be okay.
Stay there. Let me take a picture. Yes.
And we get to work now.
It's clean though. It has no like meter or anything on it.
We're going home, y'all. Not my voice cracking. We're going home already. It's getting late, y'all. Mira. Mira nada más. Alright guys, so that was the end of the episode of the little vlog moment. Let me know in the comments if you guys want to see more outdoor crocheting from me, or what is it that you guys want to see from me. Please let me know. I will incorporate that for my next video ideas, all those things. And I hope you guys are having a wonderful week. I hope you guys are having a wonderful year. Start of the year. It's about to be March, guys, already. In like what, few days? Like, oh my god, guys, time is running by so fast. So make sure you guys are just focused on the good things, keeping it positive, and doing what you love, guys. Do not forget that. Other than that, y'all, that's all I have. I cannot wait to see you on the next episode. And please, to all my supporters, the people who are actually liking the videos, sharing them, subscribing to me, who are subscribing and following me on other platforms, thank you guys so much. You guys don't know how much I appreciate it. Because of you guys, I'm growing more, and this is what I've always dreamed of, guys. This has always been my dream, to just be a content creator, some sort of influencer, especially crocheting, something that I actually have a lot of passion for, and that what I love to do, guys. I love this so much, you don't understand. Anyways, guys, tough love. Not just kidding, but I love you guys so much. Join the live, my TikTok live, guys. I go Tuesdays through Fridays at 6 p.m. around that time, evening Pacific Standard Time. I crochet Tuesday through Fridays. On Saturdays, my plan is to game. I don't have a set time yet, but most likely it'll be around the afternoon towards evening time. But other than that, guys, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for all your help. I love you guys so much, you don't understand. And I'll see you on the next one. Love you guys. Bye.